Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify datasets with Tableau, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by launching Tableau on your computer. Once Tableau is open, click on Connect to Data. Select the type of data source you want to use, such as Excel or a database. Locate the dataset you wish to verify and click Open. Drag the relevant table into the canvas area. Review the data preview to ensure it displays correctly. Check the column headings to confirm they match your expectations. Scroll through the initial rows of data to spot any obvious errors. If necessary, click on Data Source at the bottom to view the data pane. Use the Filters section to narrow down the data to specific criteria. Look for null values by adding a filter for empty fields. To understand data distributions, create a quick chart using Show Me. Select the dimensions and measures you want to visualize. Drag them into the respective shelves to generate a visualization. Review the generated charts for any inconsistencies or anomalies. Utilize the Describe feature for a summary of your data. Select a field and click on Describe to get detailed statistics. Verify calculations using Tableau's Calculated Fields feature if needed. Check for duplicates by creating a count of relevant entries. Use the Data Interpreter tool for cleaning up messy data sources. Recognize outliers in your data visualizations that may indicate issues. Export or document your findings for further analysis. Finally, save your Tableau workbook to ensure all verifications are preserved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.